gas it over the gap.
Right.
Like just a little bit.
Right on.
We didn't go crazy once I got over that part.
Run over his feet.
It looks kind of tall. It is pretty tall. It's got points on it. I'm also got like 35 feet. So your rear is really close to this. Your rear, your overhead.
One thing that like turned me off.
Around, remember?
Yeah, I'm just trying something fancy.
Oh.
Hey, good thing I went down here, dude. That's why I was coming down.
Yeah, I can't get over that hill.
Gassing.
Tires are pretty clear.
Yeah, they're in all the break-ins. Alright, Aaron, you lead us.
These are all fun coffee parties down here. Definitely fun coffee.
He's spinning around over here. Oh man, that's great fun. Whoa!
Than like a Holmes or a Crüe Brothers.
What about the power on it?
It's equivalent to 1700 kV, and I felt like it runs just as good as my Crüe Brothers 1700 kV that I had.
So it's just an airplane motor.
Yeah, you gotta do a tiny mod to it and make it work, but no, it's the same can diameter. All the bolting's the same, but it's a 5mm shaft and it comes out the wrong side.
Oh,
So you have to push the shaft out the other side and put a flat spot on it, which takes all of like, I've got it down. It takes like 2 seconds to do it. But this motor is only like $18.
Yeah, perfect.
And like I said, model ones are the ones that I've had one of them go bad, and that was because it was in my capper and I was jumping it, and I like broke a gear.
The red ones, I think they're like 20 kg or something. They're like 300 ounces each of torque.
Oh yeah, there's.
And they're 16.99 a piece.
So the blue fan model ones, they have 20 kilogram ones, but 1 gear in the
He's got you six. There we go.
To me, it's like that one other gear. I get more power in one other gear, you know, for like $8 more.
Yeah, I do get it. Yeah. That's what I always do, except for this one. When I build a new truck, I put one of those in it.
Yeah.
So then it's not like a bunch of money all at one time.
Yeah.
That's better.
Well, and I like the fan model ones are all, you can run them off 6 or 7.4. Even like the little 20 kilogram ones go all the way up to 7.4. So
You can go ahead and pass that.
probably should have brought